A smart IP camera with battery. Imagine it can last up to 6 months. Let's begin now. How are you doing, everyone? This is Dario from MEDIABOXENT. So what we have in Nina today?
Today we have a wireless security camera HD 1080p outdoor and indoors. Rechargeable battery that lasts up to 6 months, as you said.
Yes.
It also has multiple account viewing.
Yeah, this is real nice. Now, the camera, let's go over a few things. I will show you how to install painless. It takes maybe about a minute. You can see right now how the whole thing is working perfect. We see full resolution from the cameras. Now plug in is running out of battery. Now let me go this way. Now we can see the main screen. We can see there is live. We can see how much battery left. By the way, it takes 10 to 12 hours to full charge and requires 5 volts, 2 amps, so you can use your computer to charge the camera. Now we can to play. If you install the memory card, 64 gig, class 10. It will record 15 seconds small videos. All right. So now we can do full screen. We can record, run the phone. We can turn the speaker on, so I can talk to the camera and I can listen to the camera. Is anyone there? I say, get out. I can call the cops, call 911. And if you record, when you get a message, you can record that too. Now the camera can last up to 6 months. It's nice and heavy. It's pretty done well. And if we see right in the back, we have the reset, the 5 volts to turn the power on and off, and to put the memory card. And right over here, we have the magnetic part. We can put this around the wall, and this is pretty strong, guys. Check this out. This is strong. You see here? So you can put that in the wall. By the way, it comes with all the screws and nuts and everything else. And the full manual, I show you how to synchronize this for the first time. Or you can use this bracket to hold it. Right in the front, we can see the night vision, the camera, and the blue light blinking. You can turn that off if you want through the application. I will show you that too. And right in the bottom, we get the speaker. Now, if we look 1 second how to set it up, the camera is pretty simple. The only thing you need to do is scan right the manual or right from the box. iOS devices and Android device, scan, download the application. You see all the parts here. And the camera comes with 4 pieces, 18, 60, 50 batteries. That's why it takes a long time. In the night vision 33 feet, it's IP66, waterproof, 1080, and supports 2.4. All these cameras are 2.4 gigahertz, so make sure you support the network 2.4. And the motion, it can go between 10 to 16 feet, and it supports up to 64 gigabytes. Now, to synchronize this for the first time, what I'm going to do, what we can do is reset the camera. So I'm going to press the button, reset button. We're going to reset it now. We wait. And we delete the configuration. Let's remove the finger and the camera. All right. So that's been reset. I'm going to keep it this way so we can check this out. This is good magnet. So we see there it's blinking red. So I lose the network here. So I'm going to delete it. All right. So now we have the application that you already downloaded and installed it. So what we're going to do now, this is add device. You're going to add the device. Now, do we see the red light blinking? Yes, we do, right? So we're going to click next. There are a few ways to do this. Through the RQ code or self-network. It will create a local network. And I think that's what it's going to do right now, the camera. So we're supposed to look for 2C dash the number. So we're going to do enter the configuration network. So it's going to go right in my network. And let's look that one. We should see it right over here. And I see here 2C and a key number 26. I guess the MAC address of the camera. You hear that noise? Already connected. I'm going to go back to the main screen. We see there it's already connected. We click next. It's loaded up. Now want to make sure I'm in a 2.4. My case is already preset. You see 2.4. we need to enter the password of your network. All right, the 2.4 network. I'm going to do that now. So that way the camera knows your password. So we're going to click next. Now you need to put a password for administration. So we're going to put hello. All right. So we click next. And if you see there, it's everything green. And that's the name of the camera, 219690. We can change that. We can call it what we want. We click. Okay, this is show the network successful. So now it's going to change to blue. See, now stop and start. It's done. So we see the channel. We can play if it has any memory there. It's not memory there. So we're going to click the camera. Sure, we can change the name. We're not going to do that. We leave it there. I'm going to click run the screen and we load the main application. In a second, we should see the ceiling. All right. Yes, motion detection, and we see the ceiling right now. So at this point, we can share the camera and we can configure the camera. We click there and we put the password. That was hello. Confirm. And from here, we can do, see, ultra low power consumption is on. You can change it if you want. Device light indicator, I can turn it off and no longer it's going to show me blue light there. We can turn the night vision on. We can flip the screen. We can set to remind me when the battery is low, so it will send me a message on my phone. We can set the length is 15 seconds, so it will be mini videos of 15 seconds. And motion detection, you detect it. So if you have pet, maybe you want to put a medium or low, you change it. You don't want this to go on if you have a dog or cat. The intercode volume, you can set that. Flicking, you want to, if you are in the United States, you got a 60 to 60 hertz. If you are any flicking in the video. Total storage right now doesn't show me anything because I need to install the car, and we can format the car, and we can get the information from the camera. So if you see, it was pretty simple to install. Right away, it runs up to 6 months, the camera, so you charge it once, leave it 12 hours charge, and then put it back over there. Or you can use the magnetic to make it easy to, remove it. But now, if you have an outlet, right? Well, then power it up all the time. You can do that too, and that's perfect. You don't need to worry about recharging the camera. But if there's no outlet around, then this is the best way. Use this thing, hold it, and that's it. Oh, you can remove this, and I think this will come off. Yes, I know this will come off. Oop. And you can take this out, and that's it. All right, guys. So to get more information on this great camera, it feels pretty good. I mean, good camera. Check the link below this video. Thank you. Bye.